Hey there, and welcome to the channel. The Crosswinds Blocks plugin is a great plugin that allows you to add in more functionality to your website with just one plugin. It features over 20 different blocks that allow you to do things like create a cool grid, add in accordions and tabs, add in a related post section to your blog post, and so much more. And for the most part, setting it up is pretty straightforward. But in today's video, we're just going to go over how you can install the plugin, how you activate it, and how you can get the settings just right so that you can get started right away. Before we get started, if you want to see more videos on how to use the Crosswinds Block plugin, learn more about the Crosswinds framework in general, or just want to learn more about the WordPress site editor in general, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. Now, let's get started. All right, so here we are in just a test environment that I've set up. It's generic, I just set it up. I have not installed anything. So what we're going to go is we're going to first install the plugin. So to do that, if you've never used WordPress before, go to Plugins, Add New. Now, if you've downloaded the Crosswinds Blocks plugin from the Crosswinds Framework website, what you'll do is you'll go here to Upload, and then you'll hit Browse, and then you'll upload the zip file that you've downloaded from the website. Or if you just want to jump in, you don't want to deal with downloading anything, you can come over here to here and we'll load, and we'll hit install. And now we will activate it. And so for the most part, we're ready to go. However, if we were to go in here to Pages, you wouldn't see any of the Crosswinds Blocks plugin, or you wouldn't see any of the Crosswinds blocks. And that is because by default, they are all turned off. You can enable or disable any of the blocks you want to help sort of keep that area sort of clean. Or if you're an agency or developer and you don't want, your clients to be using blocks that you haven't really built the website for, you can also make sure that they're disabled, or you can force things to be enabled. But that's something completely different that we'll talk about in another video that's geared more towards developers. So now to enable our blocks, we need to go over into the Crosswinds settings page. It's pretty generic settings page, but right here you can enable all of the different blocks that you want to be enabled. The downloads, search, filters one is really, we'll talk about this more in depth in a different video. That's more for if you're using easy digital downloads. You can just come in here and enable all the different ones that you want. You can also enable all or disable all at the same time. And then when you're done, hit save. And now they're saved. And now if we were to go into Pages, and we were to go add new block, we can come down here, and here is our Crosswinds blocks, and now we can add them to the page, and now we're ready to be able to use these blocks on our website. So that's how you can get started with the Crosswinds Blocks plugin today. If you want to jump in and start using the plugin right away, or if you want to learn more about the Crosswinds framework and check out the many different child themes you can use to create your amazing website right now through the WordPress site editor, be sure to check out all the links down in the description below. In the next video, we're going to go over how you can use the grid block to create amazing grid layouts for your pages. To see that video and other videos about Crosswinds blocks and the Crosswinds framework, or to just learn more about the WordPress site editor in general, be sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. But until next time, happy WordPressing.